Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming basics that impact sending. Make sure you have cellular service and airplane mode is off, because no signal prevents delivery. Once done, restart the phone and the Messages app to clear temporary glitches, then try to resend the failed message. Next, verify the recipient's number or contact entry and your blocked list. Wrong digits or accidental blocks cause silent failures. These steps remove common barriers quickly and get you into deeper diagnostics if needed. Now you dig into network and service settings so messages can route properly. Toggle cellular data and Wi-Fi. Try sending over the alternate network to isolate the issue. Then inspect SMS, MMS, and platform features like iMessage or RCS. Make sure they're enabled and configured for your number. Messaging types change delivery paths. Once done, log into your carrier account to confirm service status, data limits, and outages. Carriers may block or delay messages when accounts aren't in good standing. To finish, perform advanced troubleshooting that fixes persistent configuration problems. Back up important data, then reset network settings to restore default cellular and Wi-Fi parameters. This often clears routing errors. Make sure your OS and messaging app are up to date, and clear the app cache if the platform allows it. If messages still fail, test with another SIM or another device to isolate the fault. One key tip: when nothing else works, call your carrier with error timestamps. They can trace delivery and identify network-level blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.